welcome to Vegas Live with Ninon. Of course, we're down here at the Peppermill Lounge. It's absolutely fabulous down there. Very, very busy today. And also Vegas is only 84 outside, which is amazing because normally it's like 110, 120, and we're sweltering around. But we do have a hot seat. We're actually in the Elvis Presley booth, and I have the most incredible band with me. And of course, they actually, you're flying off somewhere.
Well, he is.
Oh, you're flying off.
Yes.
You're leaving somewhere.
I'm leaving, yeah.
And then the band is very, very famous. You're an award-winning band. And this is Milo. You are the lead.
Yes.
Sing over the...
Hello.
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 Bruno.
And Steve. And that's Steve the drummer. And you obviously play the guitar as
Lead
well.
guitar, yeah.
Yes.
And currently I'm playing bass and singing.
You're playing bass and singing.
But I'm actually a keyboard player by nature.
Do you know what? You know what I absolutely love? Because people in the music business seem to be able to play many instruments.
Charles, party at 2.
Yes, they call us multi-instrumentalists.
Oh, I love that word. And the name of your band is Intrinsic Nature.
Yes.
Now, I was asking intrinsic, what does it mean? And you said, well, it's sort of, explain.
Well, you know, I first heard the word intrinsic nature from actually Dr. Deepak Chopra.
Oh, really?
I was watching one of his seminars or one of his lectures, and he said intrinsic nature. I go, oh, that's interesting. But actually what it means is real or true nature.
See, true nature is very healthy.
Mary F.
Very good for you. So what is music? Music is also very good for you.
Indeed.
And I always say that music is here to stay. It'll never leave. Never leave.
Never. We must keep it alive.
Yes, it keeps going. It might come in different forms and different ways and different. Now you had asked. There's a question I want to ask you about you and the rock music and the modern music. What term are they?
You're asking me if I'm a mod.
Are you a mod or are you a rock?
No, I'm a mucker.
Totally. I'm really confused.
Sorry, Ringo. I heard Ringo and the Beatles say that. And I just loved it.
So what's a mocker?
A mocker?
A mocker is Milo.
Yeah. Milo the mocker.
Milo the mocker. MMs. So what is it?
We're rockers, definitely.
Definitely rockers.
Would you like to hear a piece?
Rock. I'm going to hear a piece. I just want to ask Bruno one thing. Bruno, you're traveling off. Where are you traveling to?
Nashville.
Nashville.
Tennessee.
Oh, Nashville. Yeah. You got a gig up there or something happening?
No, just work. Business.
You do other business?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. I'm in sales, so I'm going there for a convention. So I'm doing some
how
sales.
Lovely, how wonderful. And then we have Steve's on the drums. Steve, how you doing?
Good, thank you.
Good. And is this all you do, or do you have other things that you do?
I own a pool service company.
You own a pool service, or you own it, so that's good. You have people working for you.
No, just me.
Just you.
I'm working on that.
Are you on time, and do you clean the pool? Do I have to come and check you?
That's kind of the beauty of it.
You're your own business.
Yeah,
His own boss.
Call my own time.
Oh, your own time. And Marla, what do? You do this full time because you are an award-winning.
Do I have to say?
No, you don't. If you don't want to say, you don't.
Because no, I think it would be kind of cool to let people know that I'm actually a dealer at the Stratosphere.
Oh, I got to come and visit him.
Yes, and we could go to the top of the Stratosphere and have dinner.
Do I get privileges? Do I want to have a privilege of winning? I mean, will you make me win?
Well, I can't say that.
He certainly can't say no.
I can't say that.
He can't say that on set.
No, not on the set.
Wait until I get there. You'll never recognize me. I'll come totally different. I'll have a hat on everything.
Well, then how will I recognize you?
I'm whispering your ear. It's me.
Okay.
It's me. Remember me? Me? What are we going to play?
We're going to do a song called Afraid.
Afraid? We're afraid.
It's a tender love ballad.
Okay. Let's go to the tender love ballad mode.
With me and stay a while. Hold my hand, let's take a walk. Talk to me, we'll work it out. Can't you see, I want you around. Don't you be afraid. You got my back against the wall. I've given you all I have. Take a chance, we'll try again. Can't you see? I want you around. Don't you be afraid.
Second for 8-5. Your table's ready. Second for 8-5.
I want you around. Don't you be afraid. So here I am, left to wait. I just can't believe you're not around. What will it take to get you back? Can't you see? I want you around. Don't you be afraid. I want you around. Don't you be afraid.
Beautiful. You have a beautiful voice.
Thank you so much.
That's absolutely incredible. What is your next gig? When are you performing?
Well, you know, we just finished the show at OMD, which is right around the corner from here.
Okay.
The OMD Theater,
Yeah.
which went very well,
Yeah.
better than we expected. We're not sure. We're working on hard rock and
wonderful. So
House of Blues, possibly.
House of Blues, amazing. Now, when you say you're an award-winning band, when,
Yes.
when was all this happening? Because I love award-winning bands.
This is a good time to present you with our award-winning EP. And if you want, we'll sign it later.
Yes, you can. Oh, good. Awesome. I love it.
This came about.
a year ago.
Oh yeah, about a year ago, we submitted some music to the Academia Music
Okay.
Awards, which is pretty well prestigious
Recognized, yeah,
and recognized.
yeah, yeah.
It's not quite a Grammy, but it's just under there.
Pretty
And
close.
I guess out of thousands of bands, we won, and we went to the red carpet in Los Angeles at the Rose Bowl. That's where the gala
Oh,
was.
how beautiful.
And we have footage of this. It was a great time.
And were
Really
you
was.
there as well?
He was
was.
not. He was.
You were
Milo and I
there.
drove out there. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
we
how
had a great
wonderful.
time.
So how did you feel, Steve?
It was cool. It was cool. It was different.
Yeah.
They supplied all the booze. And
That's why he came.
That's why it was different, because
Yeah.
you didn't have to
Beer
pay
for the
for
beer.
it.
You should see him
funny.
doing rehearsals.
yeah.
You know, I want to ask you a question.
Yes.
I'm bringing out a line called Lazy Star. It's a clothing line and boots. And I want to show you. I have a boot head. I want to ask you a question. This is our new boot, by the way. This is Lazy Star new boot. Isn't that amazing? That's
I think Bruno would look lovely in those, really.
That's my style. No, that's
But
my
no,
style.
these are obviously for the ladies. Oh, the men can wear them too. What do you think of it? Is
Some
that
men,
new?
yeah.
It's
Those
very
are awesome.
colorful.
Yeah.
I love the color.
You like the color?
Yes,
And then
yes.
also we've got them in red and we've got them in black and everything. All
Oh,
just
wow.
3 different colors.
Maybe
So
the black ones might
the black
suit
ones
me.
would look good on
Yes,
you. There
yes,
you go. You like
yes.
the black
I
ones.
do like the
But a
black.
few girlfriends would love that.
They would love these.
Yeah.
Well,
See,
they're
you already
different.
made some
See?
sales.
There you go. Give me your card.
Those
And
are cool.
I'll
Okay.
get an order.
girlfriend.
I know. Obviously, you're not
We're just
married.
friends.
You're married though.
I shan't say.
Oh, he's either just got married, or he's happily
Freshly
married,
divorced.
or he's in the middle of a divorce.
All the above. No.
I love it, I
Playing the
love it.
field.
You know why I bring these shoes in is because they're very sort of hip, and that you're the
Indeed.
music industry and the people in this kind of industry love this. So anyway, they love them.
I do.
Yeah.
All right, we'll get our first order. How about that?
Shall we do another one?
Jess, let's do another one.
All right.
What's this one?
This one is called Everything,
Everything.
and it goes like this. sing. All I want to do is sing. I'm so tired of everything. All I want to do is sing. I said sing, I said sing, I said sing, yeah. I'm so tired of everything. All I want to do is sing. I'm so tired of everything. All I want to do is sing. Sing, I said sing. Yeah. You can call me up, you can waste my time, 'cause I don't want to see you once more. You can call me up, you can waste my time, 'cause I want to see you once more, yeah. I'm so tired of everything. All I want to do is sing. I'm so tired of everything. All I want to do is sing. Sing, I said sing. Sing, yeah.
Amazing. Wonderful.
Thank you.
You have a fabulous voice.
Well,
and
thank
I
you so
think,
much.
So I hope you get into the hard rock. I hope that works out for you. Absolutely. Aren't they amazing? Absolutely incredible.
Yeah.
And you're off to Texas? Nashville?
Yeah.
You're
He's been to
staying in town.
Texas. He's been everywhere.
Everywhere, yeah.
Yes. So are you new in the business, or you've been playing a long time?
I've been playing with this band for a year now.
A year?
Yeah,
Oh, that's
year.
good. So this is your full band, and this
It is.
Yes.
We like the three-piece format.
Yeah.
It gives us a chance to
Chance. He's trying to be,
Yeah.
I gotta use the English inflection, you know.
Yes, oh my God, he's really using.
It gives us a chance to expand, and we can play. You can never overplay with
No.
three players.
No, you can't.
have to play. It
You have-
forces you to
You
play.
all have to
Yeah.
play together.
So with the force of nature, we play.
There you go, the force of nature. Where can they find you? Where can they? Oh, you said you were looking for a manager.
We're looking for
Milo's
management.
looking for management.
Yes, and all you record companies out there, yes, we would like to negotiate with you. If you know.
Absolutely, absolutely. Where can they find you?
You can find us on our official website, which is intrinsicnature.co.uk.
Oh, UK's in that.
Yes,
There's a lot of English
and that's
stuff
got a
playing.
story behind it too.
Oh, you've got lots of stories.
We do have
could
quite a bit.
He could take up my whole.
And we write about all of them. And I'm sure there'll be one about you.
Oh, I like that. I like that. I love that. So anyway, so if you want to reach them, if you want a manager out there, they're looking for managership. Absolutely, and you're always in Vegas. You're
Yes,
based in Vegas.
for now, yes.
Based in Vegas for now. Anyway, fabulous group, award-winning group, which I always love. Thank you for watching. We'll be right back.